Maaga tayo ha, no? Ayaw nyo maputokan ha, kaya nauna na tayo magsimba ha? We have a 7:30 Mass and a 9 o'clock Mass. Maingay kaya, marami mapaputok ngayon o hindi? Ano sa palagay nyo? Maingay ba tayo itong taon na ito? Hindi. Mamaya, no? Para ngayon, para kang tahimik, no? The quiet before the storm. Pero sana, kasi walang tigil yung ambulansya, walang tigil yung bombero, no? Sana walang mala masyado, no? Itong 59th World Day of Peace. So again ha, ang Pasko hindi isang araw, 8 araw. Simula nung Pasko hanggang ngayon, 8 araw. Ang tawag octave of Christmas. So we will talk about that shortly. Today is also January 1 at ang ininigay na pagdiriwang ngayon, ang titulo, Mary, Mother of God. Today also is the 59th World Day of Peace all over the world. Ang ibinigay na title at tema ng ating Santo Papa, si Pope Leo, sinabi niya, Peace be with all toward an unarmed and disarming peace. Yun yung title, di ba? Kasi maraming gera no? Talagang kailangan ng disarmament, no? To be unarmed, to be disarmed is the prayer for peace. So, I would like to talk to you first about today, no? Salamat sa 2025. Kamusta ba ang 2025? Ha? Buhay pa. Ano pang nangyari dyan? Basta buhay pa, nalampasan natin yan. Kumbaga, gumraduate tayo. Ano tawag sa graduation day? Commencement exercise. Ano ibig sabihin ng commencement? Diba? Graduation, pero ang tawag, commencement. Simula. Kasi commence, let us commence, start. Bakit graduation, pero ang tawag commencement? So, magsasara, graduate, gumraduate tayo ng 2025. Amen? Salamat sa Diyos, buhay. Nakadaan ang pagsusubok ng 2025 at tayo'y gumraduate sa araw na ito. Tayong lahat, palakpakan natin ang isa't isa na tayo'y gumraduate. No? Buhay pa. Buhay pa. Nagpapasalamat ngayon sa araw na to para tayong gumraduate. Bakit commencement? We graduate and we start a new chapter. Tapos na, wala na tayong magagawa, no regrets, just be grateful na nalampasan natin ito. We learn from this. And it is continued in the next year. It is not a discontinuity, but it is a continuity. Tuloy-tuloy yan eh. Kung anong meron sa 2025, kung anong itinanim, yun ang aanihin. Kaya hindi pwedeng hindi magkadugtong eh. Magkadugtong lahat eh. Hindi magic. Bagong taon, kalimutan lang lahat. Tapos bago. It does not work that way eh. It is a continuum. What you plant is what you harvest. So we thank God for this graduation, 2025. As we commence, we start 2026 with the love of the Lord. No? Only with the grace of God, we will start 2026. So we thank God for this year again. So the Jubilee year of hope, Jubilee year, gumraduate tayo sa Jubilee year of hope. Ngayon, papasok na tayo sa bagong taon. So number 1, we talk of graduation day, commencement exercises today. We all graduated and are grateful. Number 2, yung narinig natin pagbasa, today is the 8th day of the octave of Christmas. Why is Christmas very, very important? Yung Ebanghelyo kayo ng umaga, the Word was made flesh. Dinadasal natin sa Angelus 3 araw. Dahil dyan, ang Diyos naging tao. Yung invisible, naging visible. Yung imposible, naging posible. Imagine, because of the birth of Christ, yung kasalanan ni Adan, may second Adam at ito ay si Jesus. Yung tayo ay may unforgiveness, pero ngayon may forgiveness. So dahil dito, ang oras, time is measured by the birth of Christ. Kaya today, we will celebrate 2026. 2026 years ago is the birthday of Christ. Yung mga isinilang bago doon, ang tawag doon, before Christ. So time is measured by Christ. Diyos naging tao. Ang tao naging Diyos dahil kay Jesus. Naging anak tayo ng Diyos dahil dyan. No? Kaya napakahalaga kung bakit isinilang si Jesus. The Word was made flesh. Naging konkreto ang Diyos. Ang Diyos na dinadasal-dasal ng mga propeta dahil dumating si Jesus, hindi na Diyos, hindi na Espiritu, hindi na invisible. He is now concrete. Naging tao katulad natin. Ganyong kahalaga yung araw ng Pasko. No? That is why we celebrate that. And today, on the first day of the new year, we are given by the church to our mother, Mary, Mother of God. Kaya ang suot ko ay yung larawan ng ating mahal na Birhen, Guadalupe. But it is just the same. Our Lady of Guadalupe, one of the many, many, many titles of our Blessed Mother is Our Lady. Today, we celebrate Mary, Mother of God. Among her many, many titles, wala naman ako masuot na Mary, Mother of God na Mary, di ba? Kaya sinuot ko na lang itong Our Lady of Guadalupe. Just same. Together with her many titles, we are put under the title of Mary. Pinapaalagaan tayo sa ating mahal na ina. At ito nga ang aking paanyaya para sa lahat. Do we want 2026 to be a happy year? Do we want to be a happy year? The past 9 days in the 9-day novena, ay sinasabi ko lagi, you have the power. You have the power to choose to be happy or sad. Whether may sakit ka, whether na heartbroken ka, whether walang laman yung bulsa mo, whether may bulsa, whether may kalusugan ka, hindi yan ang dahilan bakit tayo nagdidiwang. Bakit tayo nagdidiwang? Sapagkat si Jesus nandyan. It is the absence or presence of Christ that is why we are happy. Hindi siya nasa dami ng pera, hindi nasa ganda, hindi nasa yaman, hindi nasa kalusugan, hindi nasa may I love you ka. Hindi. Tayo ay masaya dahil kay Jesus. The presence or the absence of Christ is what will bring joy. Hindi pera, hindi popularity, hindi kung ano-ano. Wala. Kalusugan, namatayan ako, wala na yung kasama ko minamahal. Hindi yon ang presence of Christ. Christ is the reason for the season. If He is there is Christmas. Pag wala siya doon, walang Pasko. Kaya we remember, we celebrate because of Christ. Because of the presence of Christ, Pasko, salamat sa Diyos. At nagpapasalamat tayo sa pagdiriwang na ito sapagkat siya'y buhay na buhay, kaya nga nagpapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon Diyos. Meron lang akong isang paanyaya sa iyo. Ito yung isa sa New Year's resolution ko. Hindi ko alam kung papayag kayo eh. Imumungkahi ko sa inyo. No? Actually, tapos na yung aking homilya. Ito lang ibabahagi ko sa iyo. Among many, many other New Year's resolution, a few weeks ago, kinuwento ko na to eh. May nabasa ako na artikulo sa BBC. Sabi niya, to dance is part of humanity. Ang sumayaw is to be human. Do you agree? Hello? Okay. Nung bata tayo, sumasayaw tayo, di ba? Nung mga bata tayo, gusto niyo ba sumayaw? Siyempre, di ba? Tumantuwa tayo, sumasayaw. Pag sumasayaw ka ba, masaya, malungkot? Okay, masaya, di ba? Nung bata tayo, sumasayaw tayo. Gustong-gusto nating sumayaw. Pinapasayaw tayo and proudly we will dance. Nung lumaki tayo, parang nakaisip tayo, mukha yata akong gago nito ah. Di ba? Parang hindi yata maganda. I look funny, I look awkward, tapos pride. Hindi na lang. Ayoko na sumayaw. I do not like to look foolish. But the article says, to dance is to be human. It is to be joyful. So I will vow this year, simula mamayang konti, I will dance. I will dance. Would you like to join me dance? Walang gustong sumayaw. Ako lang. Let us dance. Enjoy. Even if you look foolish, it will make you younger. It will make all of us younger. We will organize dance classes in the church. Will you join us? Will you or will you not? Ulit ha? Sasama ba kayo sumayaw? Yes or no? Naku, parang ayaw. It is joy. Si David, habang nagproposisyon, sumasayaw. Si Haring David, no? We carry a song and a dance in our hearts. Let us be human. It is what makes us human. Kahit na gaano karaming problema, basta si Jesus ay nasa iyo, let us express it with joy. With our bodily expressions, with our words, with our song, let us be human and joyfully celebrate 2026, the year of the Lord. Amen. Salamat sa Diyos, salamat sa 2025 muli, no? Salamat sa 2026, salamat sa pagmamahal ng Diyos na binigay sa atin at sana iparaman natin sa ating kapwa. Muli, I love you. I love you more. Happy New Year.